Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies, and I am here today to do my drawing for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I want to thank everyone who entered. I loved reading through your suggestions. Lots of channels that I have never heard before, so I cannot wait to check them out. And also lots of channel names who I know and love. So thank you so much for putting in the comments your suggestions. And if you're ever looking for a new YouTuber to watch, please go back to that video and just peruse through the comments. Lots of cool suggestions. Alright, so this video is going to go up on July 13th, and you will have the winner will have until July 20th to respond to me. And I will leave my email in the description box down below, but I will show you my email here as well, and you can just go ahead and email me and I will respond, and we can coordinate how I can send you your prize. All right, so let's just get into it. All right, you can't tell, but I'm looking away, and I'm gonna go ahead and make the selection. All right. Okay, so the winner's name is My Prairie Girl Musings, and I love her comment. She says, "Oh my goodness, thank you. I love to win, besides winning via watching your videos." Thank you so much. And you also won the giveaway. So please go ahead and respond to me by July 20th at this email, and I can go ahead and get you your prize. But thank you so much for being here, for being part of this small community, for subscribing, for commenting on my videos. I love making these videos, and it just adds a whole new dimension to crafting for me, and I just love everything about it. I love thinking about videos that are going to be coming up next, creating the projects and coming up with the end result that I can show you guys. It's all so much fun. But I thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.